Ate, kamusta yung concert?
Okay lang po. Masaya.
Ano yung nagustuhan mo sa concert?
Lahat.
Lahat. How does it feel na first time sila napanood?
Ang saya lang.
Ang galing nila, di ba?
Yes po.
Ayan. Solid. Ano yung best performance nila?
Ha? Parang mapa. Kasi nakikil ko siya.
Iba talaga, no? At least napakinggan mo na ng gano'n. At napanood mo na sila. Ayan, siya yung kasitmate ko guys dito. Ayan, bakit ka naging fan, ate?
Ah!
Taga saan ka? What's your name?
Piminter.
Taga saan po kayo? Dito talaga?
Dito.
Oo. Ano masasabi yun na panood mo na sila?
Ayan, ang galing nila. Siyempre.
Sino yung bias mo? Sino yung favorite?
Si Ken.
Bakit?
Oh, deep voice.
Di ba? Iba talaga yung boses
deep
niya.
voice.
Tsaka bilog na bilog. Tsaka ramdam na ramdam mo. Ano yung best performance na napanood mo sa kanila? Favorite performance or song na napakinggan?
Dam, siyempre.
Diba yung dulo, no?
Oo.
Yung iba maalis na sila, hindi nila alam, meron pa. Ayan.
Dam, siyempre.
Thank you, ate. Sa YouTube, mapapanood. Guys, what's your name?
I'm Mio.
Ayan, si Mio is from
Philippines.
Yes, di ba? Same tayo, pero nandito tayo sa Hong Kong. Ang saya-saya, di ba? Ayan, siyempre bias niyo si Stel.
Yes, bias ko.
How was the concert dito naman sa
Sa Hong Kong.
Yeah.
So good!
Iba, no?
Iba kapag
Kapag intimate lang, kasi yung boses ang clear. Yung areglo. Ay, ako na nagsalita, ikaw na.
Kasi lapit kasi ang intimate nung venue, so it's so nice. Yun kasi sa atin, diba? Sa Filipino Arena, parang ang layo. So, it's so nice na to experience na malapit sila. Kahit di ako nag-VIP, okay na ako.
Kasi okay na. Oo, nung nakita ko nga, actually ako, nag-purchase ako, nagpabili lang ako kasi ubos. Kumbaga, nagtanong ako sino pang available na this is sa HK18, tas meron naman na. Ayun, ano yung best performance na napanood ko sa kanila?
Hala, wait lang! Nawiwin lang ako. Pero talaga, doon pa rin talaga ako sa drip-drip.
Let's go! Lahat tayo talaga, go gano'n, pwede yung mga tagaan. Pero marami rin mga Hong Kong na
Marami din.
Yung mga Chinese fans.
Yes, marami din mga nakita ko kanina.
Hello, and day 2. Manonood pa siyang day 2.
Day 2, yes! See you sa day 2.
Yan, thank you!
Thank you!
What's the concert? What's your name pala?
Ha?
What's your name?
Joel po.
From?
From Gibaras.
Gumaras. Tagang Duluwin. Sino sama mo?
Siya, nabunot ko kanina.
Oh, hi! Ayan.
Hello.
Kamusta yung concert?
Wow.
Iba, no?
Amazing.
Pumunta ka ba nung day 1, day 2 ng kickoff sa Philippine Arena?
Hindi.
So first time mo pala? Hindi
First
naman.
time ko nakapanood ng concert talaga,
Full
Na full concert.
Kasi usually show lang eh.
JBL nakapunta ako.
Yun.
Acer,
Dulo sila doon. Ilang kanta lang, di ba?
Ilang kanta, Gary V.
Pero ito,
Ito, oh my God.
Diba?
Oh my God. Basta grabe yung ng...
Bias mo si Stel. Bye. Halatao, ayan.
Halatao mo.
Diba? Ano yung best performance na napanood mo sa kanila?
Tweet talaga.
Iba yung tweet. Damang-damang mo talaga sila.
Grabe sa...
Ang saya. Manonood ka pang day 2?
Sorry to say, I don't have a ticket anymore.
Me too. Hindi, meron naman daw pa. Wala nang pera. Saan ka nag-stay?
Bali, nag-work talaga ako dito.
Okay.
And before, we represent Philippines sa SEA Games last 2026. And we are silver
medalist. Anong team yung? Anong team?
Cricket po.
Cricket. Wow, pag malaki ang bandera ng Pilipinas.
Yes!
Diba? Ang saya.
Kaya, grabe ang support ko sa SB19.
SB19.
Because they represent the Philippines very well.
Iba talaga sila.
In terms of music.
Next time daw, bigger venue. Diba? Let's go!
Let's go! Makinig nyo ngayon!
Ayan. Thank you din. Yung mga to, hindi ba Chinese?
Hi, Jaco!
Hello po! How was the concert?
Good! Hanggang ngayon, pumunta ka pa rin dito, ha?
Siyempre, love natin ng SB19, di ba?
Singapore nga, basagan pa ako, sumugod ako.
Oh my God! Kamusta yung concert naman? Ganda? Grabe sila.
Actually, bukas talaga ang original, di ba?
Day 1, yeah.
VIP. Ngayon, ng second day, sabi nila, tumulong daw na ma-sold out. Eh, Diyos ko, hindi naman kailangan palang sold out. Hindi, at least na-enjoy ko. Kasi yung Singapore ko, bitin. Bitin na lang. Nag-sold out, nag-ticket dito. nag-aircas ako. Ngayon nga,
Grabe si
ako.
Mami, oh.
Oo, buti lang ka mo. Doktor ko nung 10, inalis na yung aircas ko. Maglakad na raw daw ako para masanay. O, di eto ako ngayon.
Sinong bias mo, Mami?
Still ako eh.
Galing niya, no? Kahit saan, magaling talaga. So, day 2 ka pa niyan bukas. Day 1. Ah.
Tagay-tagay na yung anak ko eh. Ang anak ko taga-spoiled ko.
Ayun.
Sabi niya, pupunta sana ako ng Taiwan, mag-selling, di ba?
Oo.
Mami, wala na akong wala na akong annual leave. Uuwi po tayo ng Christmas kasi meron kaming get-together, reunion. Sabi ko, anak, pwede naman ako. Pwede mami, baka ma-aksidente ka na naman doon.
Sorry.
Sabi ko, ang dami-dami ko aksidentihan. Hindi sa trabaho, sa bahay pa ako na-aksidente. Buti na lang, yung ang aking boss, yung pinakamay-ari, Japanese, hindi ko alam. Oo, binigyan pa rin ako ng 80%.
Wow. Message mo sa SB19.
Ay, Diyos ko. Worth it.
Di ba?
Mag-ano na ako, mag-senior na.
Yun na nga eh, di ba?
Pero
Wow.
ngayon lang ako na ng ganito.
Ang galing.
Lagi ako nag-ano kasi, dito lahat ng concert halos na gusto
Na-attendan
ko.
mo?
Oo, so Expo Arena.
Ang saya.
Kasi residents naman. Hindi puro trabaho talaga. Kasi talagang, ewan ko ba, magmula nung naano ko yung mapa, doon lang ako na actually, yung kasama ko sa trabahong bata, inis na inis ako. Basinga sa kikating.
Pero nagustuhan mo, di ba? Yung crib doon.
I-research mo na yung basinga.
Hello, pwedeng quick interview lang sa banner nyo. Hello.
Konting interview lang
Oo, para makita ng SB19 yan, di ba? Why not? Ano ba yan?
It's from Limbo po.
Limbo, George Palen. Ayan. So, lumipad pa kayo pa Pinas or taga dito talaga kayo?
We're from Macau.
Macau. Macau talaga. Wow. Kamusta yung concert?
It's good. So happy.
Di ba?
Wala ng boses!
Si Josh talaga.
Post na ako!
Kasi Josh all out talaga lagi. No? Ayan. Ano yung best performance ng SB19? To be ano?
Yung ano nila, diba? Niebe.
Iba yun,
That
no?
made me cry.
Puso talaga. Ito
That made me
sweet.
cry.
At saka, anong napansin nyo? Marami na bang mga Chinese na fans ang SB19?
Yeah, marami na silang casual na nakakatak. Nag-i-start sila kay Justin.
Pansin ko nga may Jaden
Justin and then right after nun, parang doon na nila na-discover yung ibang members. Justin and then start naman na-discover yung ibang members. Ano naman ano yung mga bias.
Ganun pala. So hopefully bigger venue na, no? Pero iba rin kasi yung intimate eh, no? Clear na clear yung boses nila.
Yung ganito.
Oo, kasi nanood ako ng Philippine Arena nila, day 1, day 2. Medyo sabog kasi nga, I mean, syempre, malaking venue siya eh.
Mas gusto ko yung
Sound
medyo
system.
intimate because
Parang
mas
recorded.
mas mapipil mo yung ano nung concert.
Oo, feel na feel ko talaga. Ayan, message yun sa SB19 ng kay John.
Iba talaga sila ng kahit nung nanood ako last year, iniba nila ngayon, mas.
Areglo, right? Yung ilaw na ano nyo, tapos yung bazinga iba-iba.
Iniba nila yung lako, Thai, tsaka ilaw.
Diba? Magda-date pa kayo?
Ako mag-i-stay ako ng 2 days. Tomorrow will be.
We're gonna wish you peace.
Ang galing.
Tomorrow VIP kami.
Because tomorrow is special Papa's birthday.
Oh, yes. Talagang birthday na birthday talaga nyo, no? Message nyo na lang sa SB19.
As we I don't know what I can say.
Iniway ko. Lahat mo lahat iniway.
Ayan.
More blessings and good health.
Ayan. Thank you, guys. So, ayan. Hello, what's your name?
Pimpin.
From?
Taiwan.
Taiwan.
Yeah.
SB19 went there.
Yeah,
Did you watch them?
Yeah, my first time know them is when July? June.
June.
Ito Award. They are the guests.
Wow.
And I was so shocked.
That's your initial reaction.
Yeah, because their title song is Damn.
Damn, yeah, the last song.
Yeah, it's like crazy powerful. Everyone, not many people know them in Taiwan.
Yeah.
But because of the stage performance, everyone scream for them. Because the Taiwan people, they are sometimes they are very cool.
So you plan to go here to watch them, or you have work here? Or
No, I just
watch
want
them?
to watch them.
Wow, me
from
too.
here.
I'm from Philippines, and then I went here
Yeah.
for them also.
Yeah, this morning.
Oh, you too also. Who is your bias?
I'm group fan.
All of
So
them.
my bias when I was in Ito is Stell and Ken because I love their live performance so much. Very high tone and very low tone. You can feel the vibration.
Yeah.
If you went to big arena, the vibration is like crazy.
That's what I'm talking about. Iba here. Dito, the intimate. It's clear, right? Their
it's
voice.
clear, but not strong as I listen in Taiwan.
Ah.
Yeah, because a lot of places they are made for concert.
Oh.
Yeah, so
And then they'll go into Taiwan again for Asian.
December. I already get a ticket.
Wow, congrats to you, ah.
Yeah.
You're so you're so great because you keep on supporting them. What is your message to them?
Be yourself. You're really amazing. Thank you. Love you all.
Thank you so much. Ate, kamusta yung experience ng high-bye?
Grabe, sobrang, oh my God, nagawa ko yan. Sorry na distract.
Uy, ano ba kadadaanin dyan?
Nadaan ba sila dyan? Ano, kamusta? Anong ginawa sa ni Stel?
Sobrang, may sarili silang ring light, guys. Tapos ang gwapo ni Justin, nag-glasses pa siya. Tapos si Steph, sabi ko sa kanya, oh, hi, I love you. Tapos gawa niya na ako.
Worth it kahit walang phone eh, no? Yung experience sa kayong mata mo, busog na.
Yeah.
Where are you from?
Manila.
Wow, kami Pampanga. Are you going to watch day 2 pa? I mean day 1?
Yes, tomorrow.
Galing mo, appear tayo dyan. Ingat! May kasama ka?
Dito lang kayo.
On the vlog.
You can go to video.
How was it? The concert, yeah, the concert, the show.
It's very good. I love it. I don't know how I can say what.
Are you a fan of SB19?
Yes.
Yes, who's your bias?
My bias is Pablo.
Oh, why?
How to say this is so great. It has a diamond ring, you know? Never mind. And he's cute.
Ah, and he's going to celebrate his birthday tomorrow. What's your message to him?
What?
What's your message to him is celebrating birthday tomorrow, Pablo?
But tomorrow I'm not a daddy, I'm just a sister.
Oh.
It's okay.
Yeah, it's okay. The experience is wild, right? Thank you so much. 19?
Yeah.
Yeah, what's your name? Where are you from?
Brian, from China.
Wow.
80 China's admin.
What? How about your experience of SB19's concert?
I got 3 signed. I got 10 and just 10 Josh and Steph signed. I got 3 signed. I'm so happy.
Who's your bias?
Ken.
Wow.
You can say it.
Oh my God, yes. It's giving.
So believable.
Diba? What's your message to SB19?
I'm sorry.
What's your message to SB19?
Love you so much.
Yes. Are you going to go tomorrow?
Yeah, of course.
Wow.
See you tomorrow.
Yeah, thank you. Have a good one.
I want to say something.
What?
To SB19.
Sure.
Please, take care of yourself, please.
Ah, so sweet. Thank you, guys. What's your name? Where are you from?
Yes, I'm Mildred Manungan from the Philippines.
Ayan, kamusta yung
Yes.
concert kanina?
So happy, enjoy, at solid. Sulit ang pag-travel from Philippines to Hong Kong.
Sino yung bias mo?
Ken!
Ayan! Cecil!
Yes.
Message mo sa SB19.
SB19, always take care of yourself, and I love you very much. Happy birthday, Pablo. I love you.
So sweet. Thank you. Ayan, mga Only Farms fans ni Stel, di ba?
Only Farms, berries, berries.
Let's go!
Berries.
Base talaga kayo sa Macau? Ay, dito?
Berries.
Appear tayo. Philippines din ako.
Berries, berries, Only Farms.
Berries din ako eh. Pero for the content muna tayo.
Compress mo, compress, compress.
Yung mga yan, taga Pilipinas lahat sila.
Okay, probably. Oh, baby.
Grabe talaga si Stel, no? Only Farms.
You cannot be seen, so let the photo will be better. Okay, everybody! 1, 2, isa pa po. Hindi kita si ate. Naka-blue yan. Okay. 1, 2, 3. And say, I love you, Stel! I love you, Stel! One more. Kayo. Berries forever! 1, 2, 3, go! Berries forever!
Ano yung message nyo kay Stel? Ulit, ayan. Ayan, Only Farms sila from...
I love you, Stel! Elia!
Ayan, di ba?
You're forever, girlfriend!
Yes! Hataw na hataw si Stel kanina.
Yes!
Di ba? Message mo sa kanya.
I love you!
Di ba? Ang daming Only Farms din eh.
Yeah,
Message mo sa kanya.
Kanino?
Kay
Pablo?
Stel.
Kay
Kay
Stel.
Pablo. Oo.
Stel,
SB19.
I love you. Sobrang pogi-pogi mo. Nakakaloka.
Bye-bye, ingat. Yeah. What? Yeah. Oh. Wow, I like it. Oh, I know you're biased already, huh? That's cute though. That's cute.
Thank you!
Yeah, did you go to high-buy session?
Yes, I show it to Ken.
Wow, and then what's his reaction?
Why? He said thank you.
Ah, that's so sweet. And this one, Justin. Oh, how was your experience meeting him in high-buy? You all the way from Taiwan?
Yeah.
What's your name?
Teddy,
Wow, since when are you fan of SB19?
after he got award.
Wow.
This year.
Ah, congrats.
Last year.
Wow, and then they had a concert also, right?
No, the Atom Boys, the TV show.
The TV show.
Yeah.
Wow. And what's your message to them?
Message.
Yeah.
就是你要怎么报给他们说？
About you?
Ken, you are very cool. Yeah, I love you.
How was the concert?
The concert is very great. Yes, I like it so much.
What's the best performance or song?
Best one, I like Queen.
Ah, Quit is so right.
Yeah.
Straight to the heart.
Yes.
About you? Time. So good. And the time is? Wow. All the way from Taiwan and then you're going home?
Yes.
Are you going to day 2? Wow. Wow. So crazy, huh?
It's so crazy.
Yeah. Because for the love of SB19.
Yeah, she's crazy. She went to Singapore.
We're all crazy.
Yeah.
Right? Oh my goodness. Thank you very much and take care. Hello! From Pampanga, from Philippines. Wow, message nyo na lang kay Justin. Mahal ka namin. Message mo kay Justin. Ang galing mo, talagang support talaga tayo.
Love you so much.
Ang galing din niya kanina, no?
Yeah, super.
Diba?
Galing is an understatement ko.
Pero iba talaga yung dito, no? Yung venue, no? Kasi nag-kick off ba kayo sa Philippine Arena? Iba dito, no? Ang clear ng ball.
Different animal today.
And of course, yung ganun niya sa Dongka, di ba? Iba-iba talaga. Where are you from? Where are you from? Philippines, di ba? Saan sa Philippines?
From Pangasinan.
May Pampanga. Thank you guys, ha. Mag-day 2 pa kayo?
Yeah.
Wow. How did you get your tickets? Ang bilis kasi ma-sold out.
From a fan.
Wow, buti ka pa. Diba sana all na lang, no?
No, it was a last minute purchase. Parang I posted in X if they have extra tickets.
Yeah. Me too kasi dun sa kaninang ticket ko eh. Pero ayun, okay naman. Worth it talaga, no?
Yeah, and
And yung look, grabe yung mga look nyo,
Siyempre,
Yes, diba? Thank you guys, ingat kayo,